his deathbed because of it. Because of me.
Loving and fighting, accusing, denying. I can't imagine a world with you gone. The joy and the chaos, the demons were made up. I'd be so lost if you left me alone. You locked yourself in the bathroom, lying on the floor when I break through. I pull you in to feel your heartbeat. Can you hear me screaming, please don't leave me? Hold on, I still want you.
You keep fighting.
Please just listen.
Come back, I still need you.
You're not my son.
Let me take your hand, I'll make it right. I swear to love you all my life.
I need you.
Hold on, I still need you. Long endless highway, you're silent beside me. Driving a nightmare I can't escape from. The light isn't fading, hiding the shock and the chill in my bones. They took you away on the table. I pace back and forth as you lay still. They pull you in to feel your heartbeat. Can you hear me screaming, please don't leave me? Hold on, I still want you.
Get away from him. Go on, get out of here.
Come back, I still need you. Let me take your hand, I'll make you right. I swear to love you all my life. Hold on, I still need you. I don't wanna let go. I know I'm not that strong. I just wanna hear you saying, baby, let's go home. Let's go home. Yeah, I just wanna take you home. Hold on, I still want you.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Come back, I still